Are you AOS, afraid of staging? I'm Bridget Harvey, and welcome back to A Change of Address. A lot of homeowners are afraid of staging because they feel like it's too much work, they don't know how, or they're stressed about the costs. If this is you, these do-it-yourself staging tips will help you impress buyers and increase your profits. First, walk your property as if you're a buyer and take notes. Focus on the entry and the living room. Buyers decide if they like a property within the first 8 seconds, so make these spaces especially inviting. Next, swap out old bulbs and add accent lighting and mirrors to brighten up darker spaces. And speaking of bright, make sure your kitchen sparkles. Kitchens sell homes, so clear the countertops and update the hardware. Reduce furniture and the little treasures that crowd floors and surfaces. And when it feels empty to you, you are almost there. Buyers always open the closet, so remove any clothes not in season. And finally, deep clean floors, windowsills, even the outside of your windows. And if you really want to maximize profits, hire a pro. Last year, one of my professionally staged listings sold for 26% higher than the one across the hall the same month. Let me know in the comments below, or give me a call if you're ready to tackle the spackle together.